Now this ready to get also, and 1 month already my husband he plant this vegetables here. This also radish, so many radish over there, also so many radish over there, and these are coriander leaves, and these are rosemary. Yan, ang daming coriander leaves. Oh, and these are Chinese pichay or crumb. And we have also some here, but it's already old. This kind of vegetable hair crumb. My husband is getting also some vegetables to mix here. So my husband will get also to cook for today for our dinner. This one, rosemary and coriander leaves, or danya and soya, they call it here. Rosemary. Ayan, dami oh. Inshallah. And 4 days ago, my husband also, he plant already native garlics here. Ayan. These are native garlics here, only this place. Ayan. Ayan. First, we will get first harvest today. क्या हुआ? कहने?
सब्जी।
क्या सब्जी?
लाई।
हाँ।
सब्जी लाई, साग लाई, थूम लाई।
आपने नहीं है ना? क्यों?
अगले में से कहीं खाना शाम को रशा गली पिछली पिछली
wala gram lon na. O de gram de.
gram नहीं गच्छा। आशांति तारक कंकुल आना किया।
हाँ नहीं गच्छा।
आली चुनी देनी था नहीं है पर।
Ade. 1 month old these vegetables. Radish leaves, coriander leaves, rosemary, Chinese pichay or crumb. Already cook our viand for dinner together with lunch tomorrow. So this is very tasty because all organics, fresh from our garden. Then my husband is the one who get this green leafy vegetables like this rosemary, they call it soya here in Pakistan, and this coriander leaves is danya, and Chinese pichay crumb. Then just I saute garlics, onion, tomatoes, and some masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. I use lots of cherry tomatoes because we have lots of cherry tomatoes. And this is good for me, partner with chapatis, but for me is rice. Chicken tinola with celery leaves and this, what you call this lemongrass. Baraniw sa Ilocano, tanglad sa Tagalog. Ayan, nilagyan ko din. And then, ito nga yung celery leaves. Then, lagyan ko din ng 2 bunga ng, ito yung paprika yata ito, bell pepper. Kasi malalaki eh. Ayan, lalaki. Ayan. May mga, buto-buto ng manok. Ayan. Tinola ko, ayan.